Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pupring si Palaynon, and for today, I will share you some health benefits of peanuts, the nutrition, and the how to use peanuts. So we will discuss in this video, and then you can learn a lot about peanuts. So keep on watching guys, and let's learn some more. Surprisingly, peanuts are not actually in the nut family. They are classified as legumes along with foods like green peas, soybeans, and lentils. The peanut plant likely originated in South America in Brazil or Peru. Scientists have found 3,500-year-old pottery in the shape of peanuts, as well as decorated with peanuts in South America. Peanuts grow below ground as the fruit of the peanut plant. In early 18,000, Americans started growing peanuts as commercial crop. On average, Americans eat more than 6 pounds of peanuts per year. Today, 50% of the peanuts eaten in the United States are consumed in the form of peanut butter. So that's it guys. Peanut is not a nut. Hindi siya nut. It's a legumes. So nakaka-surprise guys, no? Isa pala siyang legumes, foods like green peas, so nabilong siya doon. Health benefits of peanut. Many people believe the peanut is not as nutritionally valuable as true nuts like almonds, walnuts, or cashews. But actually, peanuts have many of the same health benefits as the more expensive nuts and should not be overlooked as nutritious food. Heart health. Much attention has been paid to walnuts and almonds as healthy foods, given their high content of unsaturated fats, but research suggests that peanuts are every bit as good for heart health as more expensive nuts. Peanuts help prevent heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels. They can also stop small blood clots from forming and reduce your risk of having a heart attack or stroke. Weight loss. So peanuts is a kind also guys that can lower your weight loss. So foods with a lot of protein can help you feel full with fewer calories. And among nuts, peanuts are second only to almonds. When it comes to protein count, studies have shown that people include a moderate amount of peanuts in their diet will not gain weight from peanuts. In fact, peanuts could help them lose weight. So, nakakabawas siya ng timbang guys, kasi na-try ko siyang kainin din guys, and then hindi ka magugutom talaga. Pag kumain ka ng peanuts, hindi ka makakaramdam ng gutom, as in yung feeling na full ka lang, parang busog ka lang. So the longer lifespan. Eating peanuts might help you live longer too. A large-scale study found that people who have regularly ate any kind of nuts including peanuts were less likely to die or any cause than were people who rarely eat nuts. Because the study was observational, it cannot prove that peanuts were exactly what caused the lower death rates, but they are definitely associated with them. It also lowered diabetes risk. Peanuts are a low glycemic food, which means that eating them won't cause a spike in your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that eating peanuts can lower the risk of type 2 diabetes in women. So peanuts also reduce inflammation. Peanuts are a good source of fiber. So what is fiber, guys? Fiber is tumutulong sa ating katawan para mag-digest. Yan, fiber. Which help reduce inflammation throughout your body as well as aids your digestive system. It's a kind of cancer prevention also. Research has demonstrated that for older people, eating peanut butter may help lower the risk of developing a certain type of stomach cancer called gastric non-cardia adenocarcinoma. So what are the nutrition you get from peanuts? Peanuts are rich in protein, fat, and fiber. While peanuts may have a large amount of fat, most of the fats they contain are known as good fats. So, good fats ang makukuha mo dito, guys, sa peanut. This kind of fats actually help you lower your cholesterol levels. Peanuts are also an excellent source of magnesium, folate, vitamin E, copper, arginine or arginine. Ganun siya, guys. So, the nutrients per serving is 1/4 cup serving of raw peanuts contains calories niya is 207. The protein is 9 grams. The fat is 18 grams. Carbohydrates is 6 grams. Protein 9 grams. Fiber 3 grams and the sugar is 1 gram. So, imagine, guys, kung kakainin mo is 1/4 cup serving na yung hilaw lang na peanuts. So, ganun makukuha mo ng mga kailangan natin sa katawan para mas maging healthy tayo. But you have here the things to watch out for. While peanuts are healthy foods, not everyone can enjoy them. An allergy to peanuts is the most common food allergy in the United States, causing the majority of all food allergy-related deaths. So, mahirap din, guys, kung may allergy ka sa peanuts. Kasi marami talagang nagkakaroon ng allergy sa peanuts. A mild peanut allergy shows symptoms like itchy hives, nausea, or swelling of the face. However, a severe peanut allergy can cause a life-threatening reaction known as anaphylaxis. Symptoms of anaphylaxis include trouble in breathing, a change in alertness, nausea, vomiting, seizure, chest pain, and then swelling of the tongue, face, or lips, extreme drowsiness, and feeling dizzy, confused, or lightheaded. So, kung sa Bisaya pa, guys, mahubog ka kung maka-allergic anay po sa mild lang. It's important to talk to a doctor if you experience any uncomfortable feelings while eating peanuts. So, how to use peanuts? Peanuts can be eaten raw, blanched, roasted, boiled, fried, powdered, or made into peanut butter. Eating them with their thin, papery skin is most nutritionally beneficial as the skin contains the many antioxidants and phytochemicals. Adding more peanuts to your diet is easy to do, whether with peanuts or peanut butter. So, yung balat pala niya, guys, na yung makita mo doon pag, di ba, pag pagbuksan mo yung sa buto, may balat yun. So, yun pala yung balat na yun, is a good source siya ng antioxidant. So, what is antioxidant? Ito yung ginagamit natin sa ating katawan para linisin ang ating mga medyo toxic dyan sa ating katawan. So, nagpapaganda siya ng skin. Wow. Kakatuwa naman, guys. Here are some ways to use peanuts in a variety of dishes. Bake peanuts into cookies or pies. Make a peanut butter and banana sandwich. Add peanut butter to hummus. Top your yogurt with peanuts and then toast peanuts in a salad. Add peanuts to your stir fry or noodles dish. sarapin guys, nakakalinamnam. Like, minsan, di ba, ina-add natin sila sa, sa kare-kare, di ba, ang linamnam nung ulam pag mayroong ganun. And then, mix peanuts into a trail mix. Dip spring rolls into the Thai peanut. So, nakakatuwa guys. It is good to eat peanuts every day. One study showed that eating peanuts every day can decrease the overall risk of death by up to 21% and reduces the occurrence of heart disease by 38%. However, peanuts are high in calories, and while they contain a good fats too, much be a bad thing. What are the side effects of eating peanuts? Peanuts can sometimes be contaminated with a species of mold, which is we call Aspergillus flavus, that produces aflatoxin. The main symptoms of aflatoxin poisoning include loss of appetite and yellow discoloration of the eyes, which are typical signs of liver problems. What happens if you eat a lot of peanuts? Some people are severely allergic to these proteins. For these people, peanuts can cause a life-threatening allergic reaction because peanuts are high in calories. It is sensible to eat them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Consuming too many calories may lead to weight gain. So, kung marami ka din pala ding kakainin ito guys, pag sobra-sobra na, makakagain din siya ng weight mo. What are the advantages and disadvantages of eating peanuts? The pros and cons of consuming peanuts is high in protein and fiber. Peanuts are high in protein and fiber. Appetite suppressant. If you ever get hungry during the day outside of mealtimes, peanuts are perfect. Different way to eat peanuts prevents risk of stroke, high blood pressure, weight gain, unbalanced diet, and additives. How many peanuts should I eat a day? The recommended daily servings are a handful of peanuts, 1 to 2 ounces, depending on your size, or 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Magnesium are also significantly elevated. What is the best time to eat peanuts? Peanuts are often consumed as an evening snack. This can also be added to protein bars, lados, or a chat. The best time to consume peanuts would be morning or daytime. A late afternoon snack of peanut is also ideal. Who should not eat peanuts? Rest of peanuts for people with type 2 diabetes, omega-6 fatty acids, salt and sugar. Peanut products often contain added salt and sugar, which you'll want to limit if you have diabetes. Allergies. Perhaps the biggest risk of peanuts is that they can cause a serious allergic reaction for some people. Are peanuts good for your stomach? In simple terms, the research concluded that peanut butter protects the good bacteria and boosts gut health. So, if you consume a reasonable amount of peanut or peanut butter, then it will contribute to improving your gut biome, which will lead to a healthy gut in the long run. Can peanuts cause liver damage? Most countries, including the US, allow low amounts of aflatoxin in corn and peanuts. However, some researchers suggest even these low levels can lead to liver damage in people infected with hepatitis B who rely on diets rich in corn and nuts and grains. Is peanut good for skin? Yes, antioxidants in abundance. Peanuts also deliver oleic acid. It helps you cut cholesterol in the body, fight free radicals and inflammation. It is a great for skin too. Do peanuts make you poop? Oh. In particular, Sachar recommends Brazil nuts, peanuts and walnuts for their poop producing power. Along with fiber, these varieties contain a healthy dose of nutrients like protein and healthy fats. Stick to a handful of nuts per serving so you don't go overboard on calories, which can add up fast. What will happen if you eat ground nut every day? If you eat peanuts every day, you get protein, vitamins, mineral, and more. Peanuts have more protein than any nut, 7 grams per serving, containing more than 30 essential vitamins and minerals, and are a good source of fiber and good fats. Does peanut butter increase weight? Those peanut butter is unlikely to lead to weight gain if eaten in moderation. In other words, if you consume it as part of your healthy calorie needs. Are peanuts fattening at night? Yes, and eating peanuts before bed will help you sleep. They make a great snack, and peanut butter is full of tryptophan. It also boosts your metabolism, so you might even burn more calories while you sleep. Do peanuts increase cholesterol? Peanuts are extremely high in calories and are often linked with being unhealthy for your heart. A lot of controversies to revolve around peanuts. Some say due to its high fat content, and it increases the bad cholesterol level in the blood, whereas some link peanuts with weight gain. Are dry roasted peanuts bad for you? Both raw and roasted nuts are good for you and provide health benefits. Both varieties contain similar amounts of calories, protein, carbs, and fiber. However, roasting nuts may damage their healthy fat, reduce their nutrient content, and lead to the formation of a harmful substance called acrylamide. What are the benefits of eating boiled peanuts? A great source of vitamins like niacin, which supports your digestive system, skin, nerves, and protect against Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. An abundance of minerals like magnesium for healthy nerve and muscle function, and phosphorus, which helps convert food into energy. Can I eat peanuts on empty stomach? Ideally, soaked peanuts should be consumed in the morning before breakfast. Peanuts are often associated with weight loss as they boast satiety. Peanuts are quite high in calories, so they shouldn't be eaten in excess, but eating them in moderation as part of a balanced diet may help you lose weight and improve health. What are the worst nuts to eat? A nut allergy develops when the body's immune system becomes oversensitive to a particular protein in a nut. Nuts that are the worst for allergies include peanuts, walnuts, pecans, almonds, Brazil nuts, and pine nuts. Do peanuts help you sleep? Peanuts are also a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that may enhance sleep quality. Plus, your body uses the tryptophan to produce compounds like serotonin and melatonin, both of which are also important for regulating sleep. Are peanuts bad for your kidneys? Peanuts contain oxalates, a type of mineral found in kidney stones. In fact, calcium oxalate kidney stones are a leading type of kidney stones according to the National Kidney Foundation. Are peanuts bad for your colon? The researchers found that men who reported eating 3 or more servings of nuts a week had 69% lower risk of colon cancer than those who reported eating no nuts. Women who ate 3 or more servings had an 81% lower risk than those who ate no nuts, according to the study. So, do peanuts raise blood pressure? Peanuts contain some sodium and even more if salted. This can raise blood pressure. But they also contain calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which can all protect heart health. Can peanut give you gas? Studies have shown that trans fats like the ones found in the peanuts butter are one of the number one causes of inflammation in the body, such as inflammation can lead to bloating, gas, and general digestive discomfort. What helps stomach ache after eating peanuts? Either a heating pad or a hot pack should be placed on your abdomen to help reduce pain, and the heat will help to loosen and relax muscles and relieve some discomfort. Soaking in a warm bath may also help, since the heat may have the same effect as a heating pad. Why I am craving peanuts? So, stress has also been shown in animal studies to trigger cravings of high-fat foods. You might find yourself reaching for a jar of peanut butter if you're feeling anxious, stressed out, or depressed. In an attempt to reduce those feelings, there may also be an underlying nutrition deficiency you are trying to fill. So, that's it, guys, for our nutrition and the benefits, the side effects, and the same time the main source. So just to remind you guys, peanuts and nuts are a good source of omega-3, fiber, vitamin A, antioxidants pala guys, antioxidants in a good fats, and such. They have been associated with a number of health benefits, particularly for your heart. Past studies have linked nut consumption to reduce risk of blood clots, lower your cholesterol, and reduce risk of arrhythmia. So yan na guys, ang mga benefits na makuha natin for eating fats. So hindi rin siya maganda na over din ang pagkain mo ng peanuts, kasi magiging ka din ng weight pag over din yung kinain mo. And gano'n naman talaga guys pag nag-overeating tayo, pag sobra, hindi na talaga
yun guys, salamat sa inyong panonood, and sana ay may natutunan kayo sa ating video for today. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, nasa ilalim guys yung red button dyan na subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel guys. And support the Pubring si Palaynon. And marami pa tayong isi-share dito na videos and some inspirational videos na isi-share ko dito. And soon, guys, nasa province na ako, marami tayong ma-view or ma-featured na mga place sa aming province ng Sipalaynon. And how was life in Sipalay? So, yun lamang guys, and maraming salamat sa inyong panonood sa aking video for today. And guys, yan pala yung namin, yung itong guys na Bisaya nga man eh, kay gagmay siya guys. So, pag imuha ni siyang ilaga ba? So, ano siya, malinamnam siya sobrang kaysa doon sa dagkuan kayo nga nuts. Oh, Bisaya lang sa kalam. So guys, thank you guys for your support and I hope to see you again on board to my channel. And stay safe and God bless everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy nyo lang guys hanggang matapos ang video.